What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So, the powerful smartphones Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro first appeared in the photo. The announcement of the smartphones will take place very soon. Qualcomm will hold the Snapdragon 2020 Technology Summit on December 1 this year, at which the presentation of the new flagship Snapdragon 875 SoC is expected. Coming in the video, Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro latest features, new design, new chipset, release date, and many other impressive leaks. Please watch full video content. Earlier it was reported that Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S21 series in January. In addition, it is believed that Xiaomi will also keep up with the launch of its flagship line, Xiaomi Mi 11, early next year. At the same time, Xiaomi Mi 11 should become the first Chinese smartphone based on the Snapdragon 875 single-chip system. Today, a well-known Chinese insider under the nickname Digital Chat Station posted a photo on his Twitter profile page, which supposedly shows the Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro smartphones for the first time. The source captioned the photo simply, "See you at the end of the year." This means that the announcement of smartphones may take place even earlier than expected. As you can see, both new items are equipped with a screen with a hole in the center in the upper area. A single front camera will be installed here. A fingerprint scanner is likely to be located in the display area as well. The Xiaomi Mi 11 device will receive a traditional flat screen, while the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro will have the panel curved onto the sides of the case. According to the source, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro will be equipped with a hyperboloid display with the curved sides. The selfie camera is rumored to be able to generate 32 megapixel images. The smartphone will be based on the Snapdragon 875 processor, which Qualcomm will officially announce in early December. The proposed chip configuration is as follows: 1 Cortex-X1 at 2.84 GHz, 3 Cortex-A78 at 2.42 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 at 1.8 GHz, Adreno 660 graphics accelerator, and Snapdragon X60 cellular modem 5G. If you believe the available information, the multi-module camera of smartphones, at least the older of the two models, will incorporate a 108 megapixel main sensor and wide-angle unit with a 48 megapixel sensor. The smartphone will exceed 150 megapixels. Sales of the devices are rumored to begin in the first quarter of next year. They will ship with the Android 11 operating system. Presumably, Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro can be announced together with Snapdragon 875, and smartphones will go on sale in January 2021. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.